Hola, 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 hola. Sharp videos and Sansi. Thank you for tuning in to Everything SA Ski News. We all know to be bringing the latest sports updates, and on this one, we got you 5 Orlando Pirates players set to leave the club. Orlando Pirates have a number of experienced players who are yet to kick the ball this season and likely to leave before the end of the season. Orlando Pirates could part ways with at least 5 players by the end of the current season. The Buccaneers signed close to 15 new players at the start of this campaign, and they aim to challenge for the Betway Premiership title and Domestic Cup honors. However, after their early exit from the CAF Champions League in the preliminary round, the team's focus has shifted slowly to domestic competition, having won 7 of their opening 10 league matches. Pirates are among the favorites to lift the title in May. Last season they came close but ultimately fell short, allowing rivals Mamelodi Sundowns to claim an 8th consecutive league crown. Regardless of how the season unfolds, several experienced Orlando Pirates players could be shown the door when the campaign concludes. Number 1 is Thapelo Xoki. Xoki has struggled for game time under the head coach Eduardo and seems unlikely to feature regularly going forward, with Libone Siyama and Bogazeli Mbogazi keeping captain Sibisi out of the starting lineup. Xoki has effectively become the 4th choice at centre back. Number 2 is Olisanda. The Nigerian defender has not featured for the Buccaneers in nearly 2 years and appears destined to leave at season's end, with Xoki, Sibisi and Thabiso Sesane all ahead of him in picking order. Nda's chances of reclaiming the spot look increasingly slim. And number 3, we got Sarafato Mabaso. Despite netting 4 goals this season, Mabaso has found himself sidelined in favor of Evidence Makgopa and Lionel Mbutuma. Should he surpass Benedicto Villaga's all-time scoring record at Pirates, the 28-year-old striker could seek a fresh challenge elsewhere. Bandile Shandu is the 4th player to leave Orlando Pirates. Shandu has failed to impress when given opportunities this season. The emergency of the Thabiso Libito, Ramogelo Sibelebele and Dion van Rooyen has pushed him down to right back. A January departure would not come as a surprise. Number 5 is Monopoly Saling, could be the player to leave Orlando Pirates, as we've seen him already donning the jersey of the Orbit College. The speedy winger is currently on loan with Orbit College. He has had a fallout with Orlando Pirates last season, and it remains to be seen if he could return to the club after his loan spell ends in May. Who should Pirate likely release? Please let me know what you think down below in the comment section. From your boy Isaac. Why so nice?
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Sibelebele. Oh, that's goalbound. That is